Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to get rid of a yellow color problem in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. Suppose if you are seeing yellow color along your phone screen, yes, you can get rid of it. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to do some changes in your settings only. Okay, so first of all, go to the settings, then go to display and brightness, and just look for eye protection option. Just if it is turned on, that means eye protection is activated so that you see the yellow color on your display. Okay, if you turn off this one, then natural color will appear. Okay, see here, yes, you get rid of yellow color problem. Now your phone screen is normal, your phone screen is in normal color. Okay, so in this way you can easily get rid of yellow color problem in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. Okay, what you have to do is just to turn off eye protection option so that you can get rid of yellow color problem. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.